Thanks. And Marco, can you please turn on the light? Marco, can you please turn on the light? Number one, what's my shape? What's my shape? Where? Wait, what is that? I can't hear you. Rectangle. Circle? Alright, so if I have a square and I know that my square is equal on all four sides, how long is each of my other sides? How long is it? If I know one side is 3 centimeters, how long is my other side? Whisper to your neighbor. 3 centimeters. I know the answer already. And then whisper to the window so the window can hear you. 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. All right, 3 centimeters to remind me. Alright, so it's all labeled. 3 centimeters on each side. Now what am I going to do? Subtract them all? No. What? Show me on your hands. What am I going to do? Add or multiply. Oh my gosh. I see singles from team 2 and team 3. Okay, so if I add them all, what is 3? Plus 3. Plus 3. 12 centimeters. Is it just 12? No, centimeters. 12 centimeters. Actually, did you notice for your square, it's repeated addition. So what else could you do instead of repeated addition? Show me on your hands. What could you do? Show me on your hands. Ah, team 5, so enthusiastic. All right, Mr. Isaac, what am I going to do? What is it? Multiply. Divide. Multiply. Oh, it would be X. So it'd be 3 times 1, 2, 3, 5? No, 4. Oh, 3 times 4. And what's 3 times 4? 12. 12. Centimeters. Oh, sorry. I already have it. Okay. If I have, let's look at my rectangle. If I know the top is 4 centimeters, what's my bottom? 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. The other side will be 2. What did he say? Alright, what about, oh, hold on. I know some of you heard 2, but I think he was talking about this side. Yes. So, in reality, we have it covered. So 2 centimeters. Now, what can I do now? What's my next step? What's my next step, Anthony? Signal is thinking. I see table 1 signals, 2, 3. Ah, much better. Alright, so I'm going to add 2 plus 4. What's 2 plus 4? Show me with your hands. What's 2 plus 4? Show me with your hands. Alyssa, what number do you see people holding up? 6. Alright, so that equals 6. And then what's 6 plus 2? What's 6 plus 2? Show me with your fingers. What's 6 plus 2? Austin, what number do you see people holding up? not 8 plus 4. What's 8 plus 4?
12 centimeters. 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters.
Do not forget your units. It's not just 12. I don't want to see just the numbers because that's not what it is. You have centimeters. So if you can try number 2 and, or not 2, number 3 and 4. Go for it. Yeah! I'll give you 1 minute to do 2 and 3 and 4. I keep saying 2.
Okay. Wait, what number?
Don't forget to show your work. Show me how you're getting your answer. I don't want to see the problem in the answer. I want to see how you got there. Then show me.
I don't get.
We already did number 3. So if you have 3. Don't forget to show your work.
Can I do number 3?
Yes, you may. Show your work. Show me how you got these beautiful answers of yours. Don't just tell me. Show me. So 2 inches. And why do you have 4?
22.
So this side is equal to that. This side, yeah, and you chop that. Alright, if you are done with number 3, I will take a quiet hand for someone to show me how do I solve number 3? How do I solve number 3? Oh, Miss Morgan, can you pull a stick? I just can't choose. I just can't choose.
Christopher.
So Chris, please come up and show us how you solve number 3. Do not forget to show your work. Hold on. Alright, Mr. Christopher, can you explain how you got that answer?
First, I put 2 inches right here and 2 inches right here. Then I multiplied 3 times 2 and the answer got 6 inches.
Alright, signal is thinking. Oh, Miss Morgan, why do you have a kind of answer?
Because you could have wrote it a different way. Actually, you should write it a different way.
How did you write
What do
it?
you mean you should? You don't have to.
Hold on, let's see what she does.
It's the same thing. We just wrote that the picture.
So what's different between yours and Mr. Chris's?
Well, I flipped it around because I put the 2 on the top since the number was 2, and the 3 on the bottom because there was 3 of them. And she labeled it. And I knew that since we're using inches, then I should make it the same. And I should put inches by the numbers that I'm multiplying.
Okay. So you could do that. And I do like that you labeled it so you remember. But where did you get 3 inches?
Yeah. 3 twos.
But that's 3. So it's 3 times. It's not 3 inches. Because you don't have 3 inches anymore, right? You just have 2 inches. But you have 2 inches 3 times. So you don't have to write. There you go. So if you labeled them, that's perfectly acceptable too. I like it that you labeled them. Yes.
I kind of disagree with Chris's problem.
What?
Because when he multiplied it, we don't know what we're multiplying if our problem had a subject. Or we don't know what 3 of or 2 of or 6 of.
Okay. So I know the way Chris did it is perfectly acceptable because he added the units back in at the end.
I'm always just forgot to put it.
That's okay. He has inches in his answer.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yep, he has inches in his answer. All right. What about number 4? Oh. Noah. Sorry. Can you go his question?
You could label the three sides.
Oh, you could. That's a great perception. So I like that you mentioned that. All right, number 4. Oh, so many volunteers. You guys make this really difficult for me. I think I have to let Miss Morgan. I can't. All right, so take a look to see how Miss J did it. Maybe she did it a different way from you. But do not forget, they are showing their work, so you should too.
Yeah.
If you did it differently or if you did it the same way. Even if you did it differently, maybe you got the same answer. I don't know. Let's look. Take a look. Hold on. She's almost done. All right, Miss J, why don't you grab a pointer and come show us what you did.
I knew that on this side it was 5 feet. So on this side it had to be 5 feet also. And then I did the same thing with the top and the bottom. And I added all of my feet. And I first added 5 plus 5 and I got 10 feet. And then I got 6 feet and 6 feet and I added those. And then I took my 2 partial products and I added them. And I got 22. But I knew I was forgetting something, so I added feet.
So you are thinking if you got 22 feet, that's what? Awesome job, Ms. Jane. Solved it wonderfully. Yes, Noah?
Are those partial products?
Yes, they are partial.
When we use the term product, what operation do we use? What operation are we using when we find product? It's okay, it's a simple mistake. I make mistakes all the time. I said 3, 2 instead of 3, 4 times today, so it happens. But they are partial answers. So
Can I write them there?
yeah, you can keep them there. That's a perfectly great way to do it. Yes, Miss Harris? All right, so Miss Paris, why don't you show us and then we'll see. That's okay, that's okay. She's making room for herself. We saw how Miss J did it. Alright, so Miss Paris, what'd you do?
First I wrote 5 foot here because this is the same length as this one, and I wrote 6 here because there was a 6 foot here. Then I added plus 5 over here and equals 10. Then I crossed out my 5s, so I have the 10 plus this one of the 6's equals 16. Then I added the other 6. And I got 22 feet.
Awesome, so you just added a different way, right? Alright, so if you do the other side of this for homework and bring it back signed on Tuesday, I'll give you 2 star slips.